We all know solar energy is the future, right? But here's the thing, it's not just futuristic, it's super convenient too. Sure, it takes a bunch of solar panels to power an entire house, but you'd be surprised how far a high-quality solar generator can take you. Seriously, these things are game changers. We've done all the hard work for you and found the best 6 solar generators by comparing the key features, prices, and we even mentioned the discount. Eco-friendly, fast-charging, durable, and yeah, all without breaking the bank. So, let's get started. Number 6. EF EcoFlow River 3, a solar generator that's seriously shaking up the game. If you're looking for value without compromising on features, this one deserves your attention. First off, let's talk efficiency. Thanks to its X-GaN power technology, the River 3 doubles the runtime for devices under 100 watts while keeping things ultra-quiet at just 30 decibels. Imagine powering your gadgets without the annoying hum. It's a win for both your ears and your energy bills. Now, here's the kicker. It charges from 0 to 100% in just 1 hour with no bulky adapter required. Just plug it in with a single cable. Prefer solar. With a 110-watt panel, you're fully charged in just 2.6 hours. It's built for flexibility. Need to power multiple devices? This beast has 6 outlets and can handle up to 600 watts for heating appliances, all thanks to X-Boost technology. Perfect for camping trips or emergency use. Plus, its 20-millisecond auto-switch UPS keeps critical appliances running during power outages, fridges, lights, you name it. At just 7.8 pounds, it's incredibly portable, and its IP54 certified build makes it resistant to water, fire, and drops. But here's the trade-off. While 300-watt AC output is fine for light-duty tasks, it might fall short for power-hungry devices. And the price? It costs around $159 with $100 discount at Amazon US. Still for the price. The River 3 is compact, efficient, and a solid all-rounder. Definitely worth a look. Number 5. Bluetti AC180. One of the fastest charging solar generators out there. If you're after speed, power, and versatility, this one has a lot to offer. Though it's not without a few trade-offs, let's jump in. First up, charging. The Bluetti AC180 features a 1,152 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery that can go from 0 to 100% in just 1 hour with its 1,440 watt AC input. Yeah, you heard that right. No waiting around for hours to get this thing ready. Prefer solar? Its 500 watt MPPT solar input juices it up in just 3 hours, making it an eco-friendly and reliable companion. When it comes to powering your devices, this beast handles 1,800 watt output with ease and offers 11 outlets, so you can run everything from fridges to laptops, even at the same time. Need more power? With a quick tap on the Bluetti app, you can boost it to 2,700 watts for those heavier loads. Perfect for high-demand situations. Now, here's a game changer, the 20-millisecond UPS feature. During outages, it seamlessly switches to keep your essentials running, whether it's your lights, Wi-Fi, or medical equipment. But let's address the downsides. Its DC efficiency is just average, and at 35 pounds, it's a bit on the heavy side for its capacity. And the price? It costs around $469 with $530 discount now at Amazon US. So, the rugged build, app support, and impressive overall performance make the AC180 a top pick for anyone who needs reliable, portable power. Number 4. EF EcoFlow Delta 2, a solar generator that feels like it was made for RV enthusiasts, campers, and anyone living the off-grid dream. This thing's packed with features that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without it. The Delta 2 gets from 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes and hits full charge in 80 minutes via AC input. Seriously, that's 7 times faster than most other models. No more waiting around around when you need backup power fast. Let's talk capacity. Out of the box, you're looking at a solid 1 kilowatt hour. But here's the cool part. It's expandable to 3 kilowatt hours with extra batteries. Whether it's powering your RV appliances or keeping things running off-grid, this flexibility is a game changer. And power? With 1800 watt output and 15 outlets, this beast can handle 90% of your appliances, fridges, power tools, even your coffee maker, all without fumes or noise. Plus, its 500 watt solar input makes clean, green charging super accessible while camping or on the road. Built for the long haul, its lithium iron phosphate 4 battery boasts 3,000 plus cycles, meaning years of reliable use. It's durable, safe, and smart, thanks to its advanced battery management system. Now the downsides. The fans can be loud during heavy use, and the extra expansion batteries, not exactly cheap. It costs around $549 with $450 discount now at EcoFlow. But for sheer flexibility, speed, and durability, the Delta 2 is one of the most advanced portable power stations out there. Number 3. Jackery Solar Generator 4000 Kit, the ultimate home backup solution that combines serious power with flexibility. If you're prepping for emergencies or looking to go off-grid in style, this generator has you covered. This beast delivers a massive 4,085.6 watt-hours capacity and can handle devices up to 3,000 watts. We're talking air conditioners, fridges, and more. No sweat. And get this, it runs at just 30 decibels, so it's whisper quiet even when it's powering your entire setup. Charging? It's insanely fast. With 1800 watt AC input or 1000 watt solar input, you can hit 80% charge in just 1.3 hours using a wall outlet, or 1.6 hours with 6 Solar Saga 200 watt panels. Basically, you'll never have to worry about running out of power. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Flexible expansion. Start with 2 kilowatt hours, but scale up to 24 kilowatt hours with extra battery packs and parallel connections. That's enough to run heavy-duty appliances or even multiple devices during extended outages. Safety isn't an afterthought here. Its advanced lithium technology and built-in cooling system keep the battery temperature stable, while shock and fire resistance add extra peace of mind. But let's keep it real. At this price point, which costs around $2,599 with $2,400 discount now at Amazon US, the extra batteries can get pricey, and it's not exactly portable. Still, with 10 years of battery life, Charge Shield tech, and a 5-year warranty, this is a long-term investment that's worth every penny. Number 2. EF EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus, the solar generator built for durability, reliability, and serious performance. Whether you're powering through outages or heading off-grid, this beast has you covered. First, the charging speed is nothing short of impressive. With 5 charging options, you can hit 80% in just 40 minutes with AC input. Solar users can get to 80% in just an hour, while hybrid charging AC plus solar offers the same lightning-fast results. Need even more flexibility? Its 800-watt alternator gets you to full charge in just 1.3 hours. Durability is where the Delta 3 Plus crushes the competition. Powered by lithium iron phosphate 4 batteries, it lasts up to 10 years with 4,000 cycles, which is 25% more than industry standards. The IP65 rating means it's splash-proof, dust-proof, and oil-proof, perfect for rough conditions. With expandable capacity up to 5 kilowatt hours, this generator grows with your needs. Whether you're running high-power tools or storing extra energy for emergencies, it adapts seamlessly. The Smart Energy Management System is a standout. Through the app, you can monitor usage-set power schedules and enable time-of-use mode to save on energy costs. It even provides storm alerts and low battery warnings. And the price it costs, around $649 with $250 discount now at Amazon US. Finally, with 13 outlets and X-Boost technology, it powers devices over 2,200 watts with ease. The 10 millisecond UPS feature ensures no interruptions for critical devices like servers. Downsides? It's heavy, and expansion batteries can get pricey. but for durability and power, the Delta 3 Plus is a top-tier choice. Number 1. Anker Solix C1000, the best overall solar generator. Whether you're prepping for emergencies, camping off-grid, or just looking for a reliable backup power source, this one's got you covered. With ultra-fast recharging technology, this beast goes from 0 to 80% in just 43 minutes and hits full capacity in under an hour. Whether you're rushing out the door or facing a sudden power outage, it's always ready to go. Powered by a lithium iron phosphate 4 battery, the Solix C1000 offers an impressive 3,000 battery cycles, lasting up to 10 years of daily use. That's reliability you can count on, no matter where life takes you. Now let's talk power. With 2,400-watt surge pad technology in 11 ports, it powers 99% of appliances, from fridges to power tools, making it ideal for RVs, camping trips, and home use. Plus, its 600-watt solar input fully charges the device in just 1.8 hours, letting you embrace sustainable energy without compromising on performance. The Anker app adds a modern touch, letting you track power stats and customize charging speeds in real time. And for portability, it's 15% smaller than similar models, making it easy to pack and carry. But here's the catch, it's on the premium pricing side. It costs around $429 with $570 discount now at Amazon US. So, with its excellent port selection, robust design, and Anker's reliability, the Solix C1000 is worth every penny. And that's a wrap, folks. Now I want to hear from you. Are you in the market for something compact and portable, or are you all about maximum power for those heavy-duty needs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the best gear out there. Thanks for watching, and as always, have an awesome day.